Here's this brand new AC Pro air conditioner. I remember this actually replaced a Goodman. I don't remember what year Goodman, but it was early 2010s at the most, which is honestly depressing that it replaced a unit that new. Big AC Pro logo. LG Scroll, I believe. Is that Emerson? Yeah, it's an Emerson. Nice unit. 2022 2-ton 4AC16. Oh, it's a 16 seer. Nice. And there's that Armstronger that I filmed in the past. So I figured I'd get a video of this new unit. I'm pretty much filming all the brand new units and the interesting units in this complex now. Not every single thing like I did in 2020. So anyways, there you guys go.